Hey guys, it's Jan, Not a Real Farm. So today's announcement, really quick guys, is we have finally launched our Shopify store. So for all of you that have the Shop app, just go ahead and click search and hit on Not a Real Farm, and you'll actually come up to our new and improved website here and be able to have access to us, our products, photos, and our blogs. If we scroll further down, you can actually see here on the left that you're able to hit a button that says shop everything. So that's everything in our store. We will be updating a lot of this over the next couple of months. We've got some new products that are coming out I think that you're going to be excited about. Not ready to announce that yet, but just wanted to show you where all the updates are going to be coming from, and we'll be putting them in our store. And then we also have our Hope in a Prairie blog. So when you hit that blog, you'll be able to see our daily goings on and the things that are going on at Not a Real Farm, and keep up day to day with us as we go on our adventures for gardening. Scroll further down, you'll see that we have featured products, and you can also click on any of those products to get into the entire store to see all of the featured products or all of the products available currently. For those of you that haven't had the opportunity to see our YouTube channel, if you just go slightly above our Not a Real Farm title, you'll see a link that says come see us on YouTube, and that will take you directly, once you hit that, to our YouTube channel. Way at the bottom of our webpage here, you can see you can subscribe to our emails underneath all of our products, or you can follow our shop and watch our YouTube videos. So guys, if you have the opportunity, come check us out at our Not a Real Farm store on our Shopify account. Can't wait to see you. You will not be disappointed, and all of our products will be listed here shortly. See you soon.